What's up, guys? It's Pittsburgh Jeeps. We're gonna go check out the Jeep today. Probably gonna hook up the aftermarket radio. I got some of the parts I needed today. Who knows? We might even get the transmission gasket done today. Stay tuned. I'm rewiring these clips for the factory wire harness for the radio. Using some heat shrink tubing just to make it look better. Alright guys, got the wire harness all rewired, heat shrinked, make it look a little professional. I don't look like shit. Go get the harness, hook it up, and see if it works.